It's Monday, May 19th, 72 North Dream Farm Road. We're getting the house pressure washed today, and it looks considerably better even with the green slime off it. We finished up a fairly extensive rot repair in this corner of the building right here. This was a corner that we weren't able to get to last year because the rainy season started up, and we got this all cleaned up. This whole corner was a bit of a mess here, but it's working now. Over here in this box, if I can get it open, well, there's a new cover plate in there. We're going to stop this and open that up.